Okay, in this lecture, we're going to look at how we can sort by font color. So previously, we looked at how to sort by cell color, but font color is exactly what it says on the tin. It basically will sort by whatever color your font is. Now, to do this, it's fairly simple, folks. So our task is to sort the table by the blue font, with blue being on top. So just scanning our table, we can see that we've got blue here, 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 and here. So we want to sort this with all the blue values at the top. Okay, so we select all our data and headers. Go to custom sort. Sort by product. And then we select here font color. Now it's got this option here, automatic, but we want specifically blue at the top. So we click down here. Now Excel again has identified the colors apart from black. So we click on this and then we leave on top. We click OK. There we go. As you can see, the table has now been sorted by the blue font, with blue being on top. So that's how you sort by font color. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. It was a real quick one. Thank you for listening and watching.